Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we need to change into dy over dt. About dt, we will put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of dy, we have y. The integration of e to the power of 3t, we have e to the power of 3t over number 3. This is about coefficient of t in here. The next one, that is about e to the power of 2t over number 2. The integration of the constant, we have t, and then we put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when t equals to number 0, y equals to negative number 5. So I will put number 0 going here, here, and here. Negative number 5 we put in here. Now we need to find the value of c. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. This one we got about 0. So 6 divided by 3 we have number 2. This one 8 divided by 2 we have number 4. So 2 minus 4 we have negative number 2. So c equals to negative number 5 plus 2, and you got about negative number 3. Now we go back in here. So I will put negative number 3 going here. So we simplify this one. And this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.